Stevenson shows the necessity of man to both acknowledge and control his inner evil, the dual nature of man. Jekyll's failure to control his own inner evil is a warning. Respectability is no insurance against our own darkness. The large, handsome face of Dr. Jekyll, like some disconsolate prisoner. I have been doomed to such a dreadful shipwreck. Man is not truly one, but truly two. My devil had been long caged. It came out roaring. The duality of London symbolises the duality of man. The front of Jekyll's house wore a great air of wealth and comfort, whereas the back was blistered and disdained. The fog still slept on the wing above the drowned city. Stevenson exposes the dual nature of society in general, the veneer of civilization. He uses the example of the Victorian gentleman to expose this thin veneer. Victorian gentlemen are outwardly respectable, but there are hints in the text that this is all a facade. I was coming home from some place at the end of the world, about 3 o'clock of a black winter morning. How would you define a good person? How would you define a bad person? Is it possible to be completely good? Is it possible to be completely bad? If somebody commits a bad act, does that automatically make them a bad person?